everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 2nd to the 6th of March 2026 on Monday. Mr. Xolo is shocked to discover a shady history between his new girlfriend and the Sekamela's. Pretty's workday takes a troubling twist on Tuesday. As Mr. Xolo tries to put out one fire, another one sparks. Pretty faces criticism from her boss for not acting in the best interest of her client. Mrs. Ivy Khomo grapples with the daunting task of rebuilding her life on Wednesday. Biggie's risky idea shares Mr. Xolo to his core. Pretty is unsettled when a quiet warning hints that her world might not be as safe as she thought on Thursday. As the pressure mounts, Mr. Xolo begins to act out unexpectedly. Melita is infuriated when she discovers that the original Mrs. Khomo may be joining TEF Hospital on Friday. Mr. Xolo is triggered and exposes his sensitive side to the Sekamelas when they criticize his ex-cons. Tibos Bast Leto with an enemy of the people. Pretty is furious to learn that Bully has complicated her case. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.